Mag-harvest na daw siya guys ng kanyang bunga ng malunggay.
I have.
Uulamin niya today.
Telling me right, need to cut these things. After this one,
A lot of them said need to cut para marami daw dahon ulit. Ayaw niya kasi i-cut kasi may mga ganyan bunga ng malunggay. Pag kinat daw niya, sayang naman daw.
in India we use in many items. Here they're not really using. It's funny to grow a little more.
Huh? Not yet ready?
Nothing.
How about that?
This one here. We use leaves also, we use this one also. Here not really, right? That's what
Alis ako guys, kaya naka-ready ako. Meron akong medical exam today para nga doon sa new work, and I'm a bit anxious talaga kasi sana maganda ang result. Alam niyo naman, may paranoia ako sa mga ganyan. Pero I'm trying to calm down and stay positive. Si Ryan, exam niya today. So hindi ako masasamahan ni Daddy Ram. Ako lang yung pupunta doon sa medical center. Si Daddy Ram, ipe-prepare niya si Ryan kasi 12:30 yung exam niya until 3 o'clock. See you later, boys.
See you later.
Good luck on the exam. You can do it.
So can you? I'm nervous about the results.
Yeah.
Same with me. We both have different results.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you. Bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Nag-bike lang ako. Wala akong kasama.
Careful, okay?
Yeah. Open the gate, please. Thank you, Ryan.
Go slow.
My mom already left for the medical thing. I think soon she's gonna start her work. There's been so much change in our life. My mom is going to medical thing. I have exam and my dad's gonna drop me, and I think my dad's already cooking. So maybe let's go see what he's cooking and maybe try to help him out. Time to see what my dad is cooking. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, boy.
Hello, what are you cooking?
Cooking one of your favorite.
Drumstick.
Drumstick and tomato with egg, boiled egg. I know you love it. Ryan loves this one. We always eat.
Yeah, and that too.
You know what plant is called, right?
Yeah, barakai.
Huh?
Although
In English, it's called actually malunggay. It's a miracle plant. This is very one of the healthiest vegetable, and the leaves are so good. We use leaves also, but usually in India this is very high demand. Sometimes one stick they'll sell 10 rupees, 10 pesos maybe sometimes.
wow. So I'm so happy that we're eating this one. Now we have this in our literal front yard.
And yes. So I don't need to go anywhere. Here we see so many malunggay plants, but very seldom see this. What's called bonunggay malunggay?
Bunawa something. It's hard to pronounce because we are not really Filipinos. Here is our old-fashioned, our first one. Actually, my dad already moved some of the okra there. Say hello to the patola. Really good progress. The mint, the ginger stem. This one grew a little bit bigger, and it's also this one also grew. Oh God, it's windy. Then we have our other old-fashioned one. Well, not really. I guess you could say new-fashioned. actually, because of a heavy rain, you see all of these plants. It's actually the plants that we planted though, but because of the rain, they got switched around, and one here, one there. These are toward the okra. We switched from there. I think this is one of the, I forgot what do you call it, tomato baby or patala. I actually forgot that this was. And the malunggay tree, very big and healthy. The guyabano and the mango tree. Guys, it's me, Ryan. So today is like my exam, like I told you. Maybe some of you already know. Maybe my mom told you. So today is, I think it's math, science, GMRC, and Filipino. Like math, science, MAPE, all of those English stuff, I am really good at. But the Filipino one, like, I'm still struggling, but I got better than before. So also my dad, to make it easier for me, he taught me how to use ChatGPT. It was very useful. It translated, like, I really liked it. It like, when I just need to take one photo, then ask it to translate the page or whatever, full one. Even my mom said, wow, it's the exact translation of the story. If there's a story, chapter, everything.
Ready to eat, boy?
Yeah.
Curry is ready. When you cook together this drumstick and tomato together, there is a very aromatic taste, Nana. You need to have a little spice in our life. As we all, Indians and Asians, like rice, you should mix with the gravy, then it goes so good.
Delicious.
It's hot, okay? I will help you, I will mix it, okay?
Right from the stove.
Then we can go. We are on the way to school.
Yeah.
Hopefully mommy won't get angry. She wants you to go on auto. But we decided to go for a walk. It's not that far. It's like a part of our like exercise, okay?
Yeah.
That's a small boy idea, not my idea. And we're using umbrella.
Umbrella right there. I'm
Yeah.
using glasses. So smart.
Na ako sa mall, guys. Yung clinic kasi nasa loob ng mall. Nakaikot na ako ng isang round, pero parang ibang floor yung pinuntahan ko. So, I'm trying dito sa taas. Nasaan na kaya? So, nahanap ko na yung clinic, guys. Nasa may likod pala siya, kaya hindi ko nakita. Nilakad ko yung first floor, second floor talaga. So, chill muna ako dito sa labas para yung vital signs natin. Kasi iti-check nila, di ba, hindi mataas, BP, pulse, ganun. Nag-fasting ako from last night, literal. From 7 o'clock wala akong kinain until ngayon. Big lunch tayo, guys. Kasi nag-fasting ako kanina, di ba? Tapos kailangan kong mag-submit ng ano, alam niyo yun. Pagbawas doon, so kailangan lumusog ako. I tried pero hindi kinaya. Gets niyo ba sinasabi ko, guys? Kailangan kong may i-submit doon. Tinry ko pero hindi ko nagawa. So dapat mabusog ako para kaya kong gawin yun. Ito talaga ang pinakaayaw ko. Yung process na yun. Kasi syempre conscious ka, diba? Yung ihi, hindi ko pa rin nasubmit. Tinry ko din, pero hindi din kinaya. Try muna ako, tapos inom ng maraming tubig. then balik ako dun sa clinic. Yun na lang yung kulang ko talaga. Tapos na ako mag-x-ray, consultation with the doctor, alas na rin. Hello boys, I'm back home. Pinick up ko si Ryan from school kanina. Kasi around 3 o'clock, right? No. Past 3 already I pick you up.
Yeah, it took some time actually.
How was the exam?
Nice!
Finally guys, natapos ko din. Now, yung result daw, directly i-send sa HR. Maghihintay na lang ako. Yung ibang requirements din, I submitted already. Pag sabi nila everything is okay, mag-start na ako ng work sa Friday. Are you ready, Ryan?
Yeah, I'm so sad.
So sad daw siya. Tingnan niyo siya guys. Oh. Lalaro ng mga stones.
Finding some flat stones and
Yeah. Ginagawa itong bahay guys, kaya maingay. Then ayan, yung mga dumadaan ng sakyan din at saka motor. Very maingay. Oh my god, they are doing so well.
That's right. Just 10 days.
Paboritong ni Ram pastime. They said once this one grows so much, it will break the wall.
Usually that's I know, but it's not old house, right?
Yeah.
Then you want to put even
Sila kasi yung yung owner, nagtanim. Hindi namin pwedeng tanggalin, di ba?
okay, almost.
If Maui is here, oh my god, he will play with the stones like anything. Run around. Namimiss na namin sila. Si Maui, si Ishi, at si Tita Joy. So, yung clinic na pinuntahan ko kanina guys, part siya ng medical group kung saan ako magtatrabaho. Marami kasi silang branch sa Manila, sa Cebu, and dito din sa Davao. Very smooth lang yung transaction, tsaka sagot ng company yung medical. Binigay ko lang sa kanila yung medical slip na for pre-employment medical exam ako. Then, ayun na, pinases na nila agad, x-ray, full body exam, and then, yun nga, blood test, and urinalysis and fecalysis. Doon lang talaga ako nahirapan sa urinalysis and fecalysis. Other than that, guys, ang bilis lang talaga. Pati yung consultation sa doktor. Para akong buang doon sa mall. Paikot-ikot ako. Tapos, yun nga, dami kong kinain para mabusog ako, para magawa ko siya. Di ba sabi ko naman sa inyo? Then, kung ano-ano na ininom ko, nag-milk tea pa ako, nag-coffee, tawag nito, tubig, para lang talaga mailawas ko siya. Oh my God! Yun talaga ang ko, guys. Struggle ko pag mga ganitong medical exam. Pero, at least, okay na siya. At isa sa mga achievement ko din is, nakapag-drive ako ng motor, guys, sa downtown na ako lang. Medyo malayo kaya ang mall, mga 30 minutes away kung saan kami nakatira ngayon. And, achievement, nagawa ko siya. Kasi, kailangan ko nang mag-practice, guys. Hindi ako pwede na ihatid at isundo ni Daddy Ram. Kung saan ako magtatrabaho, medyo malayo-layo din. So, at least, di ba, hindi na niya ako kailangan pang ihatid at isundo kasi kaya ko nang mag-travel, mag-motor na ako lang. Tsaka, mas maganda mag-motor, baka ganun-ganun ka lang, guys. Pero ingat lang din, of course. Dapat yan lagi kasi hindi natin alam, nagda-drive tayo ng maayos tapos yung iba naman, hindi, di ba? So, always be vigilant pag nagda-drive tayo, lalo na nakamotor. Pero ayun, it was fulfilling day and we'll see kung sabi nila okay na, then maka-start na tayo sa Friday kasi ngayon Wednesday, then Thursday, and then Friday. Tignan natin kung ano ang sasabihin ng HR. Hihintay pa ako ng reply nila. Nag-request, guys. So dito kami sa Starblock Cafe. Still waiting. may ibang tao today. So, naano tayo yung test. Come on. Let's go. Finally got it! Oh. Let's go to City Mall. I mean outside. Because we need to get something also. Ito na kami sa City Mall. Let's sit there, Ryan. Daddy, get what you want. If you want to eat anything.
Oh, I want so many things.
Ay, nako. We'll wait here because I'm still full from what I ate during lunch. Okay. Let's sit there.
The chocolate is...
Oh, inubos pala nila yung aking biniling Toblerone. Did you get the key? Go. Play with your friend.
No.
Ando no ang kanyang kaibigan.
It took so much time. Really easy.
I got stuck like, shall I say, huh? Pizza time for the boys. No, it's for you. No, I'm full. Today is not diet day because it's much needed to be full today. To release me. You can sit here, Nana. Your friend left. Daming tao, guys. Oh, daming students. Very nice place here. Every day daw yung family ng friend ni Ryan pumupunta dito. Right, Nana? We can always come here also so you can play with him. Ingay ng kanilang pa-music naman. Practice sila. What page? Do you know?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, you just actually have to do this.
You need to finish that one?
This one and
No need a lap stand. Until here only you need to stand.
this one also. I don't know. Mulakada.
Avocado, tomato.
Mulakada. Tomato. Mulakada tomato. And Cora? And Undi? I don't know. Ekra?
Feeling fresh.
Yeah.
Tapos na silang mag-walking. Nadiram is eating. Ewan ko, gustong-gusto niyang mag-mask, guys. Nagpabili ng
Rate how
mask.
I look with this one.
He feels like he's so pogi, maybe. Wearing mask.
No, I don't.
Talagang request niya how many days na.
Then, you know what he said this morning?
Daddy, I want to buy mask, Daddy. I said, okay, evening we'll buy. Oh my god, you just said this now, Daddy. I asked Mommy, she asked me billion questions. I told him that's what woman is.
Haha. Okay.
No, that
Two boys versus one woman. So,
isn't
what
it-
can we do? What can we do?
It's not your fault or Daddy's fault that I'm a boy, not a girl.
Okay, boys.
Time to eat our
Bunga ng malunggay.
breakfast. and dinner. I mean lunch and dinner.
lunch.
Lunch and dinner. So this is basically lunch because we just ate the same thing for lunch.
Actually, this curry, Madam barely won, but she ate outside, right? That's why we are eating for dinner.
Yeah.
I'll eat some egg maybe. I'm still really not
I think
hungry.
there's one more apple.
So you want me to eat apple like, is it last night or the other day? Yeah.
And I asked you the other day that question. Where I asked you, Tati, please, can I have it? And I thought, wow, you just said like that. Mommy asked like a billion questions.
Why do you need to keep repeating it? Oh. Okay. We're going to study now, guys. So, we're going to say, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye guys, like, share, subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye, see you, bukas! Peace!